Plans to bury the late former Zambian President Edgar Lungu in South Africa have been halted after a court challenge was lodged demanding the repatriation of his body to Zambia. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino zvinonzi aiwa maplans at the Lungu family omboisa on hold after the South African government yauya ikapa a ruling yekuti aiwa he must be repatriated unovigwa munyika yeZambia. Ropa subscribe like on the bell kuti panapa with the agreed court decision panapa bubuda kwamchinzi agreement between the parties. The following order is issued. Number 1, the first to 70 respondents undertake not to proceed with the funeral and or burial of the late president pending finalization of the application in prayer. 5. Infra. Number 2, any party wishing to intervene in the application must file a notice of motion and a founding affidavit. Number 3, any party wishing to be joined in application as amicus curiae must also file their notice of motion and the founding affidavit on or before 18 July 2025. Number 4, the notice to oppose is to be filed by the respondents or any other interested party on or before 30 June 2025. Number 5, the applicant is ordered to file its amended notice of motion and as supplementary affidavit seeking the repatriation of the body of the late president of Zambia on or before 4 July 2025. Number 6, the respondents are ordered to file their opposing affidavits on or before 11 July 2025. Number 7, the applicant is to file its replying affidavit, case of argument, chronology, and a list of authorities on or before 18 July 2025. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi aiwa ndo mashoko asi zvamanzwa unoona kuti according to the court proceedings aiwa zvaifanira kuitiwa zveku the burial ya the former president wemunyika yeZambia Edgar Lungu aiwa zvakamisiwa panguva ino vachinzi aiwa chimbomirira kusvika 18 July. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section yedu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.